Organization of the human body. What parts do you have in your body? The levels of organization in the body include cells, tissues, organs, organ systems. At each level of organization, these parts of the body work together to carry out the major body functions. Specialized cells, such as bone cells, blood cells, and muscle cells, are uniquely suited to perform a particular function. Epithelial cells, which are your skin cells, they're for protection, absorption, and excretion of material. And the location is the skin, also the lining of the digestive system, and certain glands. For connective tissue, its function is binding of epithelial tissue to structure, and that's the skin, making sure you don't lose your skin. For support and transport of substances. It's located under the skin, surrounding organs, blood, and bones. Nervous tissue, it's for receiving and transmitting nerve impulses, located in your brain, spinal cord, and around the body and nerves. Muscle tissue, it's for voluntary and involuntary movements. It's located in the muscles surrounding the digestive tract and blood vessels and the heart. In the nervous system, its structures are the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. Its function is to recognize and coordinate the body's responses to changes in its internal and external environments. In the integumentary system, its structures are skin, hair, nails, sweat, and oil glands. It guards against infection and injury and ultraviolet radiation from the sun. It helps to regulate body temperature. In the immune lymphatic system, its structures are white blood cells, thymus, spleen, lymph nodes, and lymph vessels. It helps protect the body from disease and collects fluid lost from blood vessels and returns it to the circulatory system. The muscular system, the structures are the skeletal muscles, the smooth muscles, the cardiac muscle. Works with skeletal system to produce voluntary and involuntary movements, helps to circulate blood and move food through the digestive system. The circulatory system, heart, blood vessels, blood, they transport oxygen, nutrients, and hormonestose cells, fights infection, removes cell wastes, helps to regulate body temperature. The skeletal system, the structures are bone, cartilage, ligaments, tendons. The function is support the body, protects internal organs, allows movement, stores mineral reserves, and the skeletal system has cells that produce blood cells. The respiratory system includes the nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and lungs. It brings in oxygen needed for cellular respiration and removes excess carbon dioxide from the body. The digestive system includes the mouth, the pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small and large intestines, rectum. It breaks down food, absorbs nutrients, and eliminates wastes. The excretory system, the structures are the skin, lungs, liver, kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. The function is it eliminates waste products from the body. The endocrine system includes the hypothalamus, pituitary, thyroid, parathyroids, adrenals, pancreas, ovaries in females, and testes in males. Controls growth, development, and metabolism, and it maintains homeostasis. In the reproductive system, includes testes, epididymis, vas deferens, urethra, and penis in males, and ovaries, and fallopian tubes, uterus, and vagina in females. The functions produces gametes in females, nurtures, and protects developing embryo. So when are you comfortable? Homeostasis describes the relative constant internal physical and chemical conditions that organisms maintain despite changes in internal and external environments. The systems of the body work to keep internal conditions within a certain range, never allowing them to go too far one way or the other. Examples are non living ways. We run the thermostat the temperature we would like to be at, or we sit in the shade to keep cool, or we sit in the sun to keep warm. The other ways we do it within our body is we sweat to keep cool, or we shiver to keep warm. The liver has many roles in homeostasis. The liver converts harmful substances in the body into less harmful compounds. For example, it converts ammonia into urea. The liver helps to store and release glucose into the bloodstream. Too much glucose, however, gradually damages the cells in the eyes, kidneys, heart, and even the immune system. Too little glucose and the cells in the nervous system will slow down to the point that you may lose consciousness and pass out.